In this video, we are going to see about ICT content introduction. I will teach you the step-by-step guidance how to learn ICT content. Okay, I have divided this into three types: foundational concept, PDRA, core content. Just three for to learn the ICT content. We are divided into three types. How should you learn this concept? I had an idea to upload foundational concept as one playlist and PT array as one playlist and core content as one playlist. So I had divided into three parts. So we are going to see how the foundational concept which contain element of trade setup, liquidity, market structure, dealing rate, premium and discount and external range liquidity and internal range liquidity. You need to learn of the foundation concept. Why? Because it is a foundation of the ICT concept. You should be stronger in the foundation. Your foundation should be strong. Your base concept should strong. If the foundational concept is you are strong, you can learn about the upcoming concept. We can interlink each concept together. So you need to learn about the foundational concept, which contain 10 days of 10 days videos. Foundational concept. You need to, if you are beginner, you can see the foundational concept. Everyone should see the what is my foundational concept. If you are strong in foundational concept, you can go to the PDRA. The PDRA which contain the entry modules, which needs order block, breaker block, fair value gap, mitigation block, market structure, SMT, optimal train and rate. Okay, second, you need to know about how the PDRA works. Order block and breaker block and the CG, and these are the concepts which include in the second playlist PDR, and that content which contain core content. What is mean by power of three? In ICT content, the ICT use the PO3 and OLIC and OHLC, and which has I include in the old my previous video. So I am adding this and how to use top-down analysis, which means how to align the time frame in proper. And last I will give my entry model, which is A plus A plus setup. Okay, this is the way how to learn the ICT content step by step. I will give a roadmap properly in my channel. I will upload each content. After that, I will upload the proper and how I will explain it. I think you will understand. I am going to give a proper overview, which is the very huge information to you to learn ICT. Here is a proper way, proper step by step guidance you can learn from here. I will give everything, and I will give a full effort in this video. You can see, okay, after completing this introduction, we'll, and next video, we are going to see about the foundational concepts, and it should be, I will give you this, first we are going to see foundational concepts. Okay, we can see in the studio. Thank you.